Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Kate. If you're not, welcome back. So today I have a long awaited curly hair routine for you guys. I haven't done this in a while, and this curly hair routine is a solid one, like period. It is an amazing curly hair routine. As you can see, these are my results. They look super defined, super juicy, and I also have a lot of volume, so that's really good because I don't like to compromise my volume. Sometimes I do, depending on the hairstyle, but a lot of times I prefer volume over definition, but if I can get both, that's perfect. So this video is in partnership with the lovely brand Hair Food, and I love their mission, feed your hair like you feed your body, which is amazing because a lot of these products have really good ingredients which nourish your hair, define your hair, make your hair shiny, and that's all good because my hair has been feeling very dry, and every time I style my hair with these products and cater to my hair, my results are always bomb and my hair feels really healthy and it looks amazing. I do want to mention that I am going to be deep conditioning my hair in this video, so yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys all these products that I love. I'm going to start off by deep conditioning my hair, and if you have been following me for a while, you know that I always preach that deep conditioning at least once a week is super important, super crucial for your hair health. I can't stress this enough. Deep conditioning once a week helps so much. So I have a bunch of these hair masks from Hair Food, and they're super convenient because if you're sleeping over your parents' house, your mom's house, your dad's house, boyfriend's house, your girlfriend's house, whatever, you can always just take one and deep condition if you're going to be there for a couple of days, or if you want to just like be cute and have a little girls' night and deep condition together. So I really like the hair packets. They're enough for my whole hair. What I really love and have noticed about Hair Food is that a little goes a long way. So you may think you need 5 pumps, 6 pumps, 8 pumps of product, but you really don't. Once you activate it with water, it really lathers so nicely, so you don't need to go crazy with applying too much product. It will last you a long time, and a little does go a long way, like it really does. I'm going to quickly show you guys how I apply this hair mask, and then I'm going to touch on their shampoo and conditioner because girl, that shampoo and conditioner is amazing. Nowadays I like to deep condition on soaking wet hair or on really damp hair, so that's why I'm wetting it with this little mist. So this is just water. Pretty much use the whole packet. I don't have to. I could probably use half because like I said, a little does go a long way, but it's just my personal choice to use the whole packet. You can always save it. The consistency of this mask is closer to the thick side, but it's not super thick. It's still very nice and light, but it's not like watery or liquidy or anything. I really like that, and it's very nourishing. It doesn't weigh my hair down at all, and the slip is just amazing. It feels so soft, and it has a very nice and subtle aroma, a nice scent. This is their coconut hair mask, so of course it's going to feel very nourishing. It's going to leave your hair feeling very nice, shiny, moisturized, and overall like this mask is just really amazing. It always gets the job done. My curls always look bouncy, nicer, shinier every time I use this mask, and that's why it's super important to deep condition, because that's what it will do. It will bring your hair back to life. So sometimes I choose to deep condition for 30 minutes, other times I choose 5 to 7 minutes. It really just depends. If I deep conditioned a couple days ago for 30 minutes, I'll just do a hair mask a couple days later after that for 5 to 10 minutes. It's really not a big deal, but I do recommend at least once a week to deep condition for 30 minutes, and then on the days where you just want a quick little pick-me-up, you can do 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes, and I want to talk to you guys about the shampoo and the conditioner. Hold on. When I tell you this shampoo and this conditioner is amazing, you don't understand. It's heavenly. It feels so good on your scalp, on your hair. It's so easy to detangle with. It feels very moisturizing and it's not harsh at all. So I know some people are scared with shampoo. So it is sulfate free and it's dye free and it's paraben free. It's mineral oil free. This one is as well, but it still cleans your scalp and it doesn't feel harsh at all, like at all. Like I was so surprised. And I have a lot of shampoos that also don't feel harsh, but overall, like this line is just amazing. This is their coconut milk and chai spice line. I couldn't be happier about that because I love coconut and I love chai. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I had an obsession with chai lattes. I don't drink them that much anymore because they are very sugary depending on like where you get them from, but I love coconut and chai. And again, the scent is very subtle. It's very sweet, but it's not like strong at all. I don't find it obnoxious at all, so it's really subtle if you guys are worried about the scent. But yeah, you guys have to try these two products. I did shampoo before using the hair mask. Sometimes I like to deep condition after I cleanse my scalp, use a shampoo, and other times I like to apply a deep conditioner on dirty hair. It really just depends on what I want to do. It's not a huge deal. I did use the conditioner. Little goes a long way. I just want to keep saying that because you don't need to use a lot. Just apply it onto your wet hair, detangle with a brush or with your fingers. I like to use a brush because my hair is longer. It's going to take forever if I finger detangle nowadays. I used 3 pumps and that was enough. So apply it on wet hair, you wet it some more, and then it like activates the product even more. So that's why a little goes a long way, because I feel like when you add water, it just becomes more. Both of these products are infused with coconut and chai spices, so your hair feels very soft and it smells so good. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to rinse this off and then I'm going to come back and what you guys have been waiting for, my hair routine. So I actually posted a video, it's right here, and I told you guys get excited because I have a new curly hair routine, and it's this routine that I'm going to show you guys in this video. Alright guys, I am back and I rinsed the mask off very well, and now I'm going to be using these two products together, the hair butter and the smoothie. I like to apply the hair butter all over my hair and then the smoothie towards the ends. So you guys are just going to see how I apply it, and yeah, let's get started. I like to apply about this much to this section of my hair and then the same amount on the other section. This nourishing hair butter does have avocado oil and shea, which deeply nourishes your curls, so that's why my curls have been looking so juicy every time I style with this duo. That's how my hair looks, very shiny, very bouncy, moisturized, and more importantly nourished, which is what I need because my hair tends to get really dry out of nowhere. Well, especially if I'm not like keeping up with deep conditioning, but I do keep up with it. So yeah, I think it's just the sun and the color of my hair that is making it look more dry. As you guys might notice, when I apply styling products, I like to rake it through, and then at the end I like to scrunch. But when I'm applying close to my roots, I like to apply it upwards. That way it doesn't weigh my hair down. My hair is longer, so it does get weighed down. But if I keep applying products like this, it's just going to get flatter. Now I'm going to apply the defining smoothie. Really love this. This is more on the thicker side, I am going to say, but if you apply the right amount, it's super good. It's not going to weigh your hair down at all, but it can if you apply too much. But don't be scared because I love the smoothie. This is my favorite product. It really does help with definition and hold, so you don't need to apply a gel. So it's like a 2-in-1. I say it's 2-in-1. It doesn't say that, but it definitely does help with hold, and that's why I love using it so much. This product I like to apply towards the ends of my hair. I apply like around that much and then work it like mid-lengths down. Just a little more on my ends because my ends are just super dry. I'm long overdue for a trim, so pretty much nothing can save those dead ends because they're just dead. But then I like to scrunch. Yep. Ooh, I cannot wait to show you guys my results because when I tried these products, I think about over a month ago, I was obsessed. All right, so that's pretty much what I do to style my hair. It's very simple, very easy. It does take a little bit longer because I have longer hair now and I have to make sure that my curls are coated, because if not, they won't last throughout the days. But that's why I really like the hair butter and the smoothie, because they work together to give you hold and also moisturize and bring shine to your hair. So I really like that. I strongly believe that you guys will love these products, especially if you've been looking for a good shampoo and conditioner. Definitely check them out. On a normal day, I typically air dry just because it's warmer outside and my hair dries in 2-3 hours max. But because I want to take photos and show you guys these results, I'm actually going to diffuse, and I love diffusing as well. So wow, look at these results. Look, like, just look, stare at it for a little bit. As you can tell, my hair is super defined, like very defined, and it also has its normal volume. My hair does not get weighed down with these products at all. The hair butter is for all hair types, and the curl defining smoothie is catered to curly hair. So even if you have wavy hair, maybe just apply a little bit and see how it goes. Maybe it will be really nice on your hair. But if you have like my type of hair, my texture, try it out, because this is truly amazing. You do not need a gel. I repeat, you do not need a gel. It acts as a nice defining cream, and also it gives you a hold like a gel. So that concludes this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to check out Hair Food's link down below, where you can purchase these products and also learn more about the brand, and follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video.